So guys, today I am going to be flying my brother's helicopter. As you can see, sorry for the late delay. It's 11:17 right now. I still got these clothes on because it's the same day. I'm about to fly my brother's helicopter. This is my room, by the way. Let me just shut my door so they don't hear this. Let me turn it on.
I'm sorry guys if I'm shaking the camera. It's just I'm scared of helicopters. Well, these helicopters anyways, because I go every which way. And it's steady falling.
Ready? As you can see, I'm not a very good driver.
As you can see, I'm finna get hit with a helicopter. Look at that thing.
Ooh, it landed. It landed. Hey, watch it stay right there. There you go. There you go.
It fell on the ground again.
It always does that.
It scared me really bad.
Stay up. Stay up. What are you talking about? It landed.
It landed right beside me, and I was terrified because I thought it was gonna get me.
So guys, you're actually scared of a helicopter.
Because I got hit with
The
one
wings
before.
freaking really do hurt. And watch this.
I told you. Because
Okay, I'm
I
about
got
to fly this
sliced.
right here now. Oh, dang. Never mind.
It automatically fell.
Helicopters are very fun to play with outside.
If you know how to fly them.
No, for real, I didn't do that. It did that on this on that time.
Ah, it landed.
Oh, now I did it.
We both almost got sliced with a helicopter.
Hey, you want to see me do a turn spin? It's not a turn spin. That's what I call it. Because watch this. Watch this. Wait. See it turning?
That light is really bright.
Oh.
And then it hit and fell. Okay guys, so my brother's gonna hold the camera right quick and I'll be right back.
So guys, I'm gonna have to hold the camera and fly the helicopter. So this might be a little hard. Hey. So she gonna have the camera right quick, cause I am not a very good camera driver while I'm doing the helicopter too. So guys, that was epic, and I'm about to stay on here for 5 more minutes, and then And wait, I'm gonna stay on here for 5 more minutes. My sister's gonna drive it for 10 minutes. And then we're gonna do a question of the day at the end of the video. And make sure you subscribe to that like button. Hit that like button like a boss. Subscribe to our freaking channel. I'm out. Oh, I see it.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna drive it, and my brother's gonna hold it.
Okay.
Sorry for my crazy hair when you see it, but oh well. I'm scared. I'm really scared.
So we switched out, and she has the controller, and there's a helicopter. See, if it goes too high, press that down one time, and then press that down like for 2 seconds, and go straight back up.
Okay.
But you gotta hold it up.
Okay.
You wanna go right there? Yeah. Wait, it gotta stand straight. It can't go backwards. Okay, go. Wait a minute. Go.
I'm scared.
I said freaky go down for 2 seconds.
Sorry.
Go. Oh, dang. Well, you're not a very good driver.
Me, I know.
Go. Good driving. Good driving. So far, good. Hey, watch this. Oh, gee, you almost sliced my freaking leg off. Okay, go.
I'm not a very
Go.
good driver at all.
Bro.
Oh, I landed that.
Ooh, good one. Good one.
Booyah. And I hit the box thing. Now I got better move. I'm gonna slice your head off.
Do it. Oh, Willie. Bro. This helicopter gonna get twirled.
Okay.
Don't go so high. 2 seconds. Remember? Yeah,
Oh,
good one,
I
good one. Okay, so me and Sierra gonna switch out now. Sorry. We didn't actually play for 10 minutes though. Go.
Okay. So right now I got the camera back and he's gonna drive it. I was a very good driver. To me, I was. Maybe not to y'all. Oh dang.
So guys, right now we're about to do versus. Me versus Sierra. Who can drive the best on the helicopter? Comment down below and tell us who you think won. Okay?
Pick me, you guys.
I go first.
And we have to land it.
You have to land it to get up. No.
You have to land it to get some points.
Okay. We count points. You gotta go up in there and then to go. And, then
And
you
my
gotta
dog
go
just
down
came in.
and make it go to the floor. And if it lands, you get a point for it. Let's go.